Hello, hello. Good day, everyone. This is Luisa here. I am sharing the benefits of the aloe vera gel. So when we read this, drink in benefits of Forever aloe vera gel in our powerful line of drinks. Why drink aloe? Aloe vera supports our digestive system, promotes healthy immune system, and helps you maintain natural energy levels. Try our selection of aloe gel flavors with high concentration of inner leaf aloe vera gel and other delicious drinks. So when we go to the pure one, so this tri-pack, this aloe vera gel tri-pack is 1 liter each. So this is good for 1 month already. So we will read the ingredients is aloe vera gel. So it says stabilized aloe vera inner leaf gel, 99.7 aloe vera inner leaf gel. And the thing that's the added is ascorbic acid and citric acid. So this is natural. This is the certification. Certified in Aloe Science Council, the highest certification in USA. Uh, kosher rating in Jewish people and halal in Muslim countries. Okay, so forever, we're always watching and have learned that an average of FB consumer drinks 3 bottles of aloe vera gel a month. We also like making things easy to, so now you can purchase your entire month supply in one easy to carry and beautifully packaged aloe vera tri-pack box. As a little something extra, we've also decided to include 10% case credit increase for every aloe vera gel tri-pack purchase. So if you're new to drinking aloe vera gel, read on the learn many benefits of making it a regular part of your daily routine. 99.7 pure inner leaf gel aloe vera gel, no added preservatives, sugar free, supports healthy digestion, promotes a healthy immune system, supports nutrients absorption, helps maintain natural energy levels. So imagine slicing open an aloe leaf and consuming the gel directly from the plant. Our forever aloe vera gel is the close to the real thing as you can get. So aloe vera has natural cleansing abilities that help the digestive tract absorb nutrients from the foods we eat into the bloodstream, while promoting friendly bacteria growth. The unique polysaccharide Asciminnan and other nutrients in aloe help to support the immune system. In fact, asciminnan is one of the key markers used by the International Science Council to indicate quality aloe vera, and forever aloe vera gel has nearly double the amount required for certification. Forever aloe vera gel is aseptically processed, allowing the formula to remain free of added preservatives and boast an amazing 99.7 pure aloe leaf aloe vera gel, packed in Tetra Pak, package made with 100% recycled materials. Forever aloe vera gel ensures that you can enjoy the fresh taste of undiluted aloe vera gel with all the potent properties of aloe just as nature intended. So when you drink this aloe every day, it will help your gut clean. As I am drinking this every morning, my son and sometimes my husband drink also. So what are you waiting? It will make you strong, it will make you beautiful, it will make you healthy, it will make your mind can you can think focus, you can think healthy, you can be happy because you are healthy. So thank you, and message me or call me if you need this aloe vera gel drink. Thank you. Have a good day and God bless.